Feast your eyes on the MagBox. A system so easy to set up. Wait, it's that quick? Holy shooting with flashes in traditional softboxes can eat up a bunch of time, right from the get-go during setup or when attaching modifiers in between shots. You done yet? Our team at MagMod wanted to change all that, so we created the MagBox, the easiest softbox to set up, mount, modify, and gel, period. To make this the most bodacious, portable, easy to put together softbox ever, we knew we had to rebuild this system from the ground up. So we started by designing the easiest way to attach larger modifiers to smaller hot shoe flashes. It all begins with the mag ring. Designed to work perfectly with our mag shoe and our patented universal mag grip system, it has never been quicker or easier to switch a speed light from being on camera to off camera. Just attach and let go. There's nothing to it, and nothing quite like it. And since we like it so much, we let you do it twice. That's right, we designed the mag ring to comfortably fit 2 flashes at once, side by side. Goodbye, crazy awkward dual flash bracket contraptions or whatever they're called. Plus, thanks to the mag ring's integrated use of the mag grip system, almost any speedlight flash you currently own will fit right in. Once they're attached to the mag ring, these puppies are staying put. The magnets give a solid hold, and to double down on security, 2 beefy doors lock them firmly into place. After you've grabbed your shots, just give a quick and easy squeeze of the latch, and you're ready to move on to your next setup. And you can still use your favorite mag modifiers with the mag ring. Change them out on the fly just like that, with the flashes still attached. Best of all, with the mag ring's ability to dual-wield speedlights, you can double the output of your flash, giving you almost the same power as a studio strobe without having to actually lug one around. It's compact and portable, giving you the ability to create more dramatic images in more environments, even when working against the brightness of the sun. Take that, you big burning ball of hot plasma! There's no question, the mag ring is the simplest, easiest, and fastest dual flash system. But that's not all that it is. It's also the perfect support for the world's first magnetic softbox. The MagBox takes the classic softbox design and reimagines it from the inside out with a brand new, revolutionary framework. With magnets all around the base of the MagBox, the magnetic hold is strong. There's no way it will fall off of the mag ring, even if it's set at a deep angle, fighting harsh winds, or is at the center of a tug of war with the Incredible Hulk. When you want to remove it, simply engage the magnetic field disruptor, aka this little tab on the top of the ring, and off it comes. And now, for the first time ever, in any umbrella-style softbox, we created a way to keep the light source obstruction-free. With integrated arms that stay out of the way, no metal bars will block your light output with this easy-to-use, completely open, and collapsible design. And since you don't have to compensate for diminished light output, you'll find that your recycle time, heat, and battery consumption will all be reduced. And to make this even more magnificent, we built in another never-before-seen feature, gels that snap directly into the softbox. Photographers have loved using our rigid polycarbonate gels, so we took that same technology and designed a new gel shape to work with the MagBox. No more taping gel sheets to the outside of the diffuser. Simply throw on one of our new gels, and you've got color from the inside out. And to make the MagBox even easier, we've put in a side zipper so you can reach in and swap gels without removing your front diffuser. We've always wanted better control over light spill, so our next step was reimagining how softboxes shaped light. The MagBox's focus diffuser is the first of its kind, acting like a diffuser, grid, and a lens, combined. It gives better control of light as the microscopic structure of the focus diffuser redirects the light in 20 or 40 degree beam angles, causing less spill while simultaneously increasing the light's effective output like a Fresnel lens. In other words, the focus diffuser gives you ultra-soft light, incredible spill control, and increased effective output all in one beautiful package. But don't worry, we also include a classic fabric diffuser, if you want to kick things old school. And since we'd never do things the noisy Velcro way, we fixed them up with, you guessed it, magnets. Putting a diffuser on your softbox, or switching it out, just got easier. And quieter too. You can use the revolutionary mag ring, MagBox, and focus diffuser system on the stand Or you can take it handheld when it's attached to our comfortable, ergonomic mag shoe. Lighting your shoot the MagMod way makes things fast, easy, awesome.